In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with NFC reader tag is not working on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, one of the reason why this is happening because of the case. So as you can see in my case, I've already removed the case. So if you're having the case on your iPhone, just remove it, then you have to check. Another one of the thing is all about the second step is all about make sure that you're having enough battery. So if you go over here, as you can see in my case, I'm having around 82%. So make sure that you're having battery more than 50%. And also there is one more thing which I want to let you guys, one more thing is all about that if you're going through encountering this NFC reader tag issue, so if any kind of apps is running in the background, that even goes the issue up. So just remove everything from here. Once everything is removed, what you need to do is you have to go to the control center here, try turning on the airplane mode and just wait for a couple of seconds. So what happens is this is going to cross check it and you just need to toggle it off. Now it is kind of like a fresh start. So right now it starts working and you have to check. If not, the next one we need to try with a forced restart on your iPhone. Sometimes a forced restart works a lot. So to do a forced restart, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up, then you have to follow it by the volume down, then you have to press and hold the power button here. You have to just keep pressing all together. Make sure the volume up and volume down, then you have to press and hold the power button simultaneously. It should be in like a fraction of seconds. So I'll be demonstrating you that. So what you need to do is you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, press and hold the power button here and keep pressing the power button, and you have to leave it only when you see the Apple logo. Till that you have to keep pressing here. Now as you can see, I just need to wait till I see the Apple logo. When I see it, I just need to remove it from here so that the forced restart is going through right now. And also it is actually a very important step for many of the issues. The forced restart works out, so you can try this out. Now you just need to go over here, you have to give the passcode and you have to check. Still, if there is an issue, then what you need to do is we have to try updating the software. It sometimes works. So go to the settings here. Now from here, go to the general and you have to check for software update. So if you're having any kind of software update, you have to check for that. Sometimes update it to the latest models of the software might fix. And also you just need to go back here. So you go to the general from here itself, and if you scroll it down, navigate to the transfer reset, go to the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. Go for that, then you have to check with it. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it, bye.